Guys, it's Simply Cynthia and I am finally back with another video. I feel like I say that in every intro that I do. Today I decided that I wanted to mix it up a little bit, and today we will be unboxing. Yes, we're doing an unboxing. I'm gonna start doing a few of these now, because I feel like unboxings are like one of my favorite things to do whenever I receive makeup in the mail. So I want to share that enthusiasm and also those products with you guys. So today we will be unboxing the Shayla times Colourpop collection, and I am super excited to unbox this. I haven't touched anything yet. I literally just got it in the mail today talking, and if you guys want to see what's in here, then please keep watching. Okay, so now into the PR bundle. Once you open it up, it looks like this. Again, more splatters. This is just so pretty. I'm kind of obsessed with it right now. And then inside comes with the palette. You have the two highlights up here, and then you also have the 3 lipsticks here, and then at the very bottom is the lip gloss. So this is the palette here. Again, the splatter detailing. And the palette alone retails for $23, and I'll do an up close. And it has a title on it, Perception. I actually love the name Perception. I feel like that describes makeup as a whole, because it definitely is. Whenever you put on a different makeup look, it is a perception, you know, people, how they perceive it, how they take it in, because it's like a work of art. So I really love the name for this palette. And on the back it has the name of each of the eyeshadows, and I'll just open it up now, and they are exactly what I was expecting. This is so pretty. I love how it's pretty much, she put a rainbow in here, and that's all you can really ask for when it comes to makeup, because I feel like there's so many people that keep doing the normal like neutral tones. Like, how many of us already have neutral tone palettes? But it's really hard to find a variety of color in a palette sometimes, and I really like it. I think she put all the neutral tones here for people who are looking for, you know, a neutral makeup look with a little bit of sparkle. And I think she also put a little of adventurous colors as well in there. I like the names too, how they're not just on the back but they're also on the front, because many a times you'll be doing like a makeup video. Well, for me anyways, I'll do a makeup video and then I have to look on the back, or I have to look at the little plastic sheet for what the name of the color is, and here she puts it right underneath. I like how she has a color named after her dog Titus as well, and it's a really pretty color too. I'm just like so excited to dab into these. I love the names. I love Sassy, which is this one here. It kind of looks like the color I have in my eyes now. And even Shade, I feel like I'm going to be using that a lot. It's just really nice. And then I also like how she put a mirror in here, because there's nothing more frustrating than having a makeup palette without a mirror, because now you have to find another accessory when doing your makeup. So I'm super excited to try these. I'm gonna swatch these on my arm, and I'll show you guys what the pigment everything looks like as well. So as you guys can see, the pigment in here is amazing. I am super excited. I can't wait to try a bunch of different makeup looks with this palette. Again, have I mentioned how super excited I am? But now that I'm done with the palette, we can go in with the highlights, because that's the next thing that I'm super excited to try. Okay, so the highlight shades that she actually has 2 different pigments. She has the these are loose highlights. Let me see what the name. This one is Booming, and this one is Pose. And I'm gonna open these up and I'm gonna swatch them so you guys can see how amazing these pigments are. Okay, so first off, I just want to show you guys the packaging on these. I am a huge sucker for packaging. That is not a secret whatsoever. But again, it has that splatter detailing on the top of it. And then if you look at how big this pigment is, like, this is just the tube alone. That is awesome. Not the tube. What is this, a carton? This is just it alone. That's a lot of pigment. This is gonna last you a long time. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys in relation to, as in size and how much you get. So this is my favorite Artisan Couture eyeshadow here, and this is the size that you get, and I believe that you only get, how many ounces do you get in here? You get 2.35 grams in here alone. So this, which is a highlight, in comparison to this, like, that's crazy. And these are like really affordable. I'm going to put the price somewhere in one of these corners, but this is a good amount of pigment that you can get. This is enough to use for an eyeshadow highlight. If you wanted to pop this, I don't know, on your body somewhere, like if you want to highlight like your collarbone or something like that, you have more than enough pigment to do that. Now, the thing that I love about these highlight pigments is the fact that they work for any skin type. This one is Pose. Like, do you guys see that? Now that is pretty. This one here is actually more like gold undertones here, which I like. I would probably actually, that one's cute. I can't wait to actually try it on. Actually, I'm not gonna wait to try it on. I'm gonna do it now.
I can't wait, I really can't. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that is beautiful. Now you guys know, highlight makes me feel happy. Like, there's... Oh my gosh, that's pretty.
Okay, I'm excited. So this one I have Boomin'. And then this is just like a slight highlight that I did earlier in the day. There is like a huge difference. You know, I'm just gonna highlight my face, you know, why not? Oh my gosh. Now that's cute. Okay, so within her collection, she actually has 3 lipsticks, which I was actually pretty excited to try. I've heard about Colourpop's lipsticks and that they were supposed to be really good. I can't tell you the last time I've actually worn a lipstick just because I've been wearing liquid lipsticks for the longest now. But okay, let's bring it back to the packaging of everything. This is what the lipstick tubes look like. I mean, if that doesn't sell you alone, I don't know what does. In person, they are more of like a rose gold tube. Again, bomb. Even though on camera they're looking kind of gold, but they are rose gold. They're super cute, just super cute. They're like kind of like pink shades. Actually, let me not tell you what they're like. I'm gonna actually show you what they're like. One is Quickie. And this one, again, you definitely need a lip liner with. Don't play yourself like I just played myself thinking I could rock this without any kind of lip liner. You need one. And that's out. Again, don't play yourself thinking you can rock these without the lip liner. I'm just doing this as a demonstration, but it's definitely really, really cute. And this one is Come On Sis. I think this is gonna become my new favorite lip color. I love these lipsticks, and the formula is great. It's not too I don't know, it's creamy, it's not stiff. I didn't feel like that the lipstick itself is gonna break or anything, because trust me, I've seen that happen a billion times. You know, this is actually kind of refreshing to try a lipstick and not like a liquid or matte, because those are like impossible to get off sometimes. And you know, maybe you might just be going for a simple run and you don't need it to last that long. And actually, I'll do a test on this too and see how long it lasts. Like I said, I haven't tried lipsticks in like a long time, but I really like this color. I feel like this is a universal color for any skin type. and I just think it's really pretty. And the last thing that is in her bundle is her lip gloss, and I'm just called Neat Freak, and this is really pretty. It looks almost like a rose gold color in the actual tube, and then I like how this is like a rose gold color. And this one is, it just looks like a nice topper for any lipstick, and I'm just gonna put it over this one and just see how it looks. Oh, look at look at that. No, that's cute. I love this lip gloss. And again, she did a collaboration with Colourpop. It's one of the most affordable makeup brands out there. And you know, I will put next to each of these how much they cost. I believe that the lipsticks and the highlights were $7 each, and then the lip gloss is $6. But again, I will put the actual amount somewhere around here on the screen. But for it to be so affordable, it's amazing. I was able to get the whole PR package and everything with the makeup palette, the 2 highlights, the 3 lipsticks, and the lip glosses. You can either do a full bundle, the PR bundle, which is what I got, or you can do like the loose bundle, or even if you only like the highlight, you can just buy the highlight, which is super cool. But again, I am so super duper excited. I'm so happy to use and wear these eyeshadows and the lipsticks and use the palette and all that fun stuff. I think I can do a lot of, we'll see what comes to mind. But yeah, and again, I will show you guys, you know, that this is a lot in here for such an affordable price for all of this too. Yeah, this was the Makeup Shayla times Colourpop collection. Let me know what you guys think about her collection. If you're thinking about buying something in it, what your favorite item within the collection looks like, and let me know if you guys would like for me to do a makeup look using her collection. If you're like, I don't know if I'll use certain shades, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to do a video on her makeup and just, you know, show you guys like the different things that you can do. Anyways, if you guys like these unboxing videos and you want to see more of them, let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, always be brave, be you, and always be beautiful. And I'm pretty sure I just said that out of order, but anyway, it's still true. And until next time, bye.